How to lock Instagram with Face ID on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, on your home screen, tap hold on the Instagram application and you will see the option for Require Face ID. Tap on that and then tap on either Require Face ID option or Hide and Require Face ID option based on your preference. I will simply tap on Require Face ID. Once tapped, you will be required to enter your Face ID for security purpose. And now every time you try to open Instagram application, you will be asked for your Face ID. So this is how you can lock Instagram with Face ID on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.